Hello, everyone. It's me, GC. Sorry, I, I still have a bit of a cough, so and you hear me coughing a lot, um, if because of that, you, I was sick a few weeks ago, but I'm still having this cough still, so hopefully it will go away soon. Anyway, I'm making this voice video to um I'm making this voice video because I wanted to update you guys on the channel. Not the main channel, but this channel, the Golden Boss one. Anyway, I will try to do something for Christmas. Um yeah. Um I know I haven't been posting much videos as I did with my main channel that is Alvin the Chipmunks related, but but I do try to make contests every few months or every few weeks, so it doesn't feel left out or the way or you waited so long to get something new. So yeah, sorry. um yeah, I had this cough. I'm trying not to cough so much, but it's hard. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I wanted to say, just to give you a brief update. I know 2024 is coming to the close and gonna be coming to 2025. Right, 2025. So yeah, I don't know what to do for 2025 for this Golden Boss channel. But I have some plans over on my main, so I guess we'll just wait to see how it plays out. So yeah, I I j- uh I just want to give you a short video to uh, to give you a brief update on what's going on and stuff. Again, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm being coffee so much. Like I said, I have recently got sick and this cough is still lingering lingering upon me. So yeah. So I want to apologize for that. Anyway, thank you so much for listening and uh yeah, that's what I'm gonna say for now. Love you. Bye.